What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you how to withdraw the Solana from the Bullx. For that the process is very simple. All you have to do is to open up your Bullx and go to the wallet manager over here. Once you go to the wallet manager, all you have to do is to go to the withdraw option and choose Solana for the balance. Here you guys can see that I have Solana in my wallet, and what I have to do is to go to the withdraw option. In the withdraw option, go to the add a wallet option, and the wallet name, for example, Bybit wallet. And here you have to add the Bybit wallet address. For example, I have the Bybit wallet right over here. Let me enter the password. So in here, all I have to go is to go to the receive option, and in the receive option, you can see that I have my Solana address right over here. So just copy the address and paste it here and add the wallet option. So as you guys can see that the wallet has now been added into my Bullx. So all I have to do is to go to the withdraw token and select Bullx, and from the wallet, I have to select the currency, the amount that I want to transfer. For example, I want to go with 00. So that must pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.